Hi, we are going to discuss today the concept of the tips for the stock market investment. Means anyone who want to invest in the stock market, so what are the different concepts that they have to follow? What are the different rules they have to follow? When to invest, how to invest, where to invest, and how much the return we should get, or the minimum what the target should be there. So all these concepts will be discussed with respect to the stock market investment. So we will discuss almost 9 points or the 9 tips that we are going to discuss. So here we have almost 9 tips that we are going to discuss one by one, and obviously in a little bit detail. So first thing, that the information that we need to know before the investment is the knowledge. As we all know, the knowledge is the power. Especially in the stock market, we should have a very thorough, very deep knowledge of the stocks. So in that we have mainly two heads are there. First of all, that we have a fundamental analysis, and then we have a technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is basically related to that specific stock or the investment in the company. In the company where you are investing, you should get the basic knowledge of that. So either the company is profitable, what are the products they have, either they have a good demand of the products in the business, what are the overall condition of the company, either it is profitable, what is their earning per share, what is their profitability in the previous year, either it is increasing or the decreasing. So anything which is related to, even like more important thing is that the company is giving the dividends or not. Yes, it is also very important. So all these things one by one we have to consider. Means that is the fundamental analysis related to the company. That the company where we are investing, what is the financial health of the company? What are the chances of the bankruptcy? What are the overall information about the company? So what we have to get the knowledge of the company, the fundamental. The next thing that we have to go for the technical analysis. Technical analysis, that how stocks are moving. Not only that specific stock in where you are going to invest, but also the other stocks in the market. What are the technical things are there in the market, how they are moving, what are the um, overall returns in the markets. Either the stock market is going down, there's a bullish trend, or there's a bearish trend is there. So all these things, even the economic conditions of the country and how they are affecting like a GDP of the company, even the interest rate, the gold rates, the all market rates, the economic condition of the country. So all these things, how they are affecting the companies plus overall stock market. So the technical analysis is also very important. So what we have to do, we have to combine these two, the technical plus the fundamental analysis. So we have to get the thorough knowledge about the company and about all the information about the other things before going for the investment in the company.